What's the difference between this and this? Nada. This is our artisanal kit. It's 7 products to help you deal with whatever day you're dealing with, because we don't know from day to day how our skin's going to look, what the weather's going to be like, what we need, what our hormones are doing. And you don't want to wake up and have like super dry skin and then decide, oh, I wish I'd ordered more condition, or I wish I'd ordered more transform serum. When you have all 7 products of our key products, this is our set at your fingertips, you will be able to put together solutions for what's facing you, pun intended. Um, for instance, say you have something coming up on Friday and it's Wednesday, and you want to do a super drill down on glow. You pull out your Radiance retinol cream, you pull out your Brilliance, and you say to yourself, I'm going to faithfully do this for the next 2 nights before my event so I can have max glow when I turn up. Stuff like that. But say you wake up and all of a sudden, for whatever God knows hormonal reason your body's throwing at you, you have sort of a bunch of blemishes around here. You reach for your condition and you do. This stuff has been so successful at helping so many different conditions. It's just like having this at your disposal. Just say that you get a wild New Year's resolution and decide you're going to go to the gym every single day. You can just grab your Transform Serum and your Meta. These are meant to go together. They were designed that way. They're a duo. They're sold that way. You grab those, off you pop to the gym. You put these on right after you get out of the shower. You're done working out. Boom, you're on your way. Ditto, great for an early morning dog walk. Point is that, yeah, it seems like a lot of dough, but when you think about it, this stuff lasts forever. Condition, I don't know anybody that's really actually run out of condition. It is this, really intense bomb. The Titan Glow, you might blow through because people love it so much and people's partners have a tendency to steal from them. Meta lasts forever. The Radiance Retinol lasts forever because you only use a teeny weeny little tiny bit, like just like a little bit. It really lasts a long time. Transform lasts a long time. It's all meant to be like hiring your own philharmonic. You need a violin, you've got a violin. You need a horn, you've got a horn. Um, and it's sort of like, you're putting together a toolkit and you go, oh, should I really buy the Phillips screwdriver? I'll get it later. No, you don't want to get it later. You want to get it now. You don't always need a Phillips, but it's good to know you have one. That's the way I look at it. So the other thing is that everything in this amazing kit speaks to the sagging, age spot, wrinkles, and glow. If you want to do the process as it's laid out, the Fab 4 and the Fab 3, you can do that. But more to the point, you can do anything else that you need to put together to solve your skin problems, and you'll have it right there. So I highly recommend that you take the plunge, new year, new you, all of that, and go for it. Yay.